We are in a little town of Los Gigantes. What's interesting to us are the mountains and cliffs. My god. It's unbelievable that we walk there. It looks impassable. But when you are there, it's not that bad.
Because you can't see all the way down.
If you are afraid of heights, this is a no-no. Look at this. This is the infamous tunnel. So this tunnel here, it goes right through the mountain. So if you are claustrophobic, it's also a big no-no. This tunnel is only for the brave ones. And it looks absolutely gorgeous here. Look at this. I love to explore, so this is amazing for me. I feel great and I love it.